Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Frisch from UNC Charlotte, and I'm going to demonstrate Bach's Courant from his first cello suite, just the excerpt that you'll need to play for the regional orchestra auditions. I'm going to play this excerpt under tempo with the same fingerings and bowings that are in your part, so hopefully you can easily play along with me, and I'll be able to help you through this video learn the piece. And now I'll play the piece at tempo, but I might alter the fingerings and bowings just slightly because I'm used to doing something a little bit different. I'm going to give you some tips now for how to practice this piece. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is that there are many places in this excerpt where you have a down bow that needs to be played really light and fast to make room for a larger group of up bows that come next. So the end of the excerpt, we need to play fast, light, zipped, I like to call them down bows, that buy us enough bow to sneak 3 more in, and that happens over and over again. If I don't play down bows with a lot of bow, I will run out of bow for all those up bow slurs. And that happens towards the beginning of the piece whenever you have a figure like the first measure. I have to zip this down bow in preparation for these 4 up bows that happen as well. So many opportunities to zip a down bow to buy more bow for an up bow. When you have a figure of 3 notes down bow slurred followed by 1 up bow, the up bow needs to go fast to make up for the fact that there's only 1 note in that direction. I'll show you what I mean. And so I'm zipping the up bows in that case. But it's also helpful for me to lift the up bows and then reset at the frog to start the next group of downs. So I'll demonstrate that part a little slowly. Lift, set. Lift, set. That can help me. And then when I have string crossings under slurs, I'm crossing over 3 strings, so I'm going to try to keep my elbow from moving too much. I'll keep my elbow as close to the D string height as possible, dipping only slightly down for the G string and up for the A string, trying to keep as round of a motion as I can in my body. Leading all those string crossings from the elbow. And then the last thing, you might notice that there's kind of a fancy fingering in your part. And that happens on the third line down from where your excerpt begins. I chose to play that section all slurred without the stops in my bow, all slurred and with an open A. I think that's a really nice bowing and fingering to use. And with that exception, I played all the fingerings and bowings that are in your part. So I hope you find those tips helpful, and best of luck preparing your audition.
Your journey as a musician involves hard work, discovery, and making music come alive. How do you become the musician you want to be? At Davidson Violins, we have the expertise to help you become a great musician. Our studios help students learn fundamental techniques that help them play some of the world's most beautiful music. Our luthiers adjust and repair your instrument to ensure you sound your best. Great instruments, bows, and a wide selection of strings allow you to be at your very best in auditions, orchestras, and your personal enjoyment. Come explore the world of string instruments with our staff of professional teachers, luthiers, and players. Visit us at 102A South Main Street in Davidson, North Carolina, or online at davidsonviolins.com. Davidson Violins is here to help you sound your best.